Hi guys, my name is Steven and welcome to video number 13 in this new series where I'm creating a login registration system using CodeIgniter. What I'll be doing in this video is we've already checked to see after in the register user function, I've checked to see if their key is valid, and I have tried to add the user to the database. I guess the first thing we should do is test this to make sure it works. So we'll refresh this page, and there's an error. Okay, so the user tutorial underscore user doesn't exist. On line number 58. Okay, I'm gonna pause it, try and fix it. Okay, I found it. In the model underscore users model, I'm trying to insert it into the user table instead of the users table. So let's try again. I'll save that and refresh it. It says success. So we would assume now that the temp users table would be empty because it was deleted. Yep, so there's no entries in there. And if I click on users and then go browse, you can see that this user that we created, tried to sign up with, was successfully signed up, which is awesome. That means we're ready to actually log them in and send them to the members page. So that's what we're going to do actually in the main controller instead of echoing out success. So what we'll do is we'll make a data array, data equal to array, and then we'll say the email is equal to, well, actually, we don't have access to their email. I'll come back to that. And then the key, or the is logged in, will be yes, or 1. Log underscore in to 1. Okay, and then after that, we would actually like log them in, set the user data. Let's do that then. This session set underscore user data, and then we'll redirect to the members only page. Redirect to main/members. Pretty sure that's what it was called. Just double check. Members, yep, perfect. Now we have a problem though, is we actually don't have their email address. And so what we would have to do normally is query the database and create a new function in the model that will just grab the user data, but we don't have to. In this case, when we're logging them in, all we have to do is grab their email address, and we have access to their email address in this data array right here. So instead of returning true, it can actually return, well, data email. So that's going to send essentially the email, or the value for email, which will be the email that we're actually deleting from the temp users database and adding to the users database, which will work just fine. So instead of this, we actually need to set this equal to a value. So we'll say new email if new email is equal to, except for I'm setting new email equal to this model underscore users add user. Now we can actually use new email right here. Cool, and that should actually work. So now we'll delete PHP login tut from our database and try again. I'll just go back and delete these. And then let's try this again. We'll go right from the first page. Set main. Okay, unexpected double arrow on main line 117. Let's see. Unexpected double arrow. Oh, it's not a $sign array. It's just regular. It's just the word array. Save that. Okay, perfect. So we'll click sign up. we'll go sign up. Will be phplogintut@gmail.com. Password will be password. We'll sign up. The email has been sent. Excellent. I'll check my email. Sure enough, there it is. Click here to confirm your account. So once I click here, it's going to send me to the register user function. It's going to check if my key is valid, which it should be. It's going to try and add me as a user, grab the new email from that, and then log me in and redirect me to the members page. So once I click this, even though it's going to the register user function, it's going to redirect me to the members page if everything was successful. And, whoa, look at that. I am now successfully logged in and signed up. So now if I actually refresh this, you'll see that I now have a new entry, and that's phplogintut@gmail.com, and my password is password. And I now have access to the members page. So now we have successfully created a system where we can log in and we can sign up using CodeIgniter. We can also log out. And now if I want to try and log in with that new with this new credentials that I just created and signed up with, I can go phplogintut@gmail.com, password, click login, and there I go. I'm logged in. My email is phplogintut@gmail.com, and it looks good. So I believe that's basically what I set out to build. Thanks for watching this video tutorial series, guys. I hope this helped you with your own projects, and maybe some of the techniques helped you improve your programming. And yeah, thank you for watching this series.